You've been playing the wrong game, and here's why you're losing. Wealth isn't built by income, it's built by access. Access to information, access to networks, but above all, access to capital. The rich aren't rich because they work harder. They're rich because they can move money most people can't even ask for. While you chase approval from a single bank, they're calling 5 at once. They're not hoping for a loan, they're orchestrating one. And they're not risking everything, they're dividing the risk, then scaling it. This isn't about being smarter, it's about understanding a system you were never meant to see. Because the second you learn how it works, you stop playing defense. It's called a syndicated loan. One deal, multiple lenders, shared risk, massive capital. This is how the 1% move billions without touching their own cash. If you don't control capital, you'll always be controlled by it. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.